Ethan, congratulations on your new guitar. I know you'll get used to your one dot, okay? The more you play it, the more you'll be like, okay, yeah, this is my fourth fret. You'll just know where it is. So let's try to avoid putting any markings on your beautiful new guitar, okay? And let's try to use that seventh fret marker and use that as your main centered position. So you look at your seventh fret and you know, oh, 5 is 2 down, 9 is 2 up. You know what I mean? So, and if you notice, the seventh fret on this guitar has 2. So it's a very important fret. So that's a reason why they put that on there, okay? So yeah, try to get used to it. If it causes you problems, we'll figure out another solution, all right? Okay, so we started studying some modes, okay? A little bit of a theory lesson today. I told you all the names of them, and we're going to use them doing our A major scale, okay? Now, reminder, a scale has 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we're going to stop there for now, and we're only going to play 8 notes, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to start in different positions we're going to play the same notes in the scale, but start at different points and end at different points, okay? And I know you can't see me up here, but it's more important you see the guitar. All right, so first mode is Ionian, and that is your A major scale. Okay, now the second note in that A major scale is a B, right? So when we start on B, we are now in B Dorian. And you always count up. So you start at B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. The next note in our A major scale is our C sharp, right? Now that's our third mode, and that mode is Phrygian. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move up to our next note in the A major scale, D, and we will have a D Lydian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now moving up to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th note in our A major scale, which is E, and that is E Mixolydian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you notice, I'm still playing this exact same notes in the A major scale that you learned, okay? Once again, starting at a different spot, ending at a different spot, not changing any notes. Same order, everything, just different starting points, different ending points, okay? So we left off on our E Mixolydian. Our next note in our A major scale is an F sharp, okay? And that's going to be F sharp Aeolian, or also known as F sharp minor. Okay, all right. And I will further speak about minor and major and how they can relate to each other, okay? But just know that this is your minor scale, your minor mode, and your A major. Does that make sense? I'll explain more of that later, okay? All right, so F sharp minor. Now we're going to move up to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th note, almost our last note in our A major scale, which is a G, and that will be G Locrian. Yeah, so it goes like this. Boom, 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 boom. My fault, not G, my fault, Ethan. It is a G sharp Locrian. Okay, so we start, that's our last note, right, in our A major scale. Because if you go, Okay, that note right there, that's the last note. So that's the note we start on, and we go just like you had learned before. All right, so just to review, A major, start on the second note, B Dorian. Third note, C sharp, Phrygian. All right, fourth note, D Lydian. Next note, E Mixolydian. Next note, F sharp minor. And then our last note, G sharp Locrian. All right. And we will continue studying this, okay? I don't expect you to memorize this all in 1 week, okay? These things take time. And I will kind of further expand your knowledge on these scales and how they all come together to form songs, okay? These are the building blocks of music, all right? So, Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, Locrian. All right, dude. And then we'll start learning some more songs soon, okay? I'll see you next week.